even after breaking out some of the most important line of resistance, I personally think a huge bear trap is being placed. I mean, yes, we are aware Bitcoin has broken out of some of the most important line of resistance, which in the past price action resulted in a very bullish move. But before that bullish move plays out, first, there could be a liquidity hunt. I mean, price of Bitcoin could show a continuation like this, come back to test some of the most important line of support, and only after that, only after liquidating the over leverage investors, it could be preparing itself for another bullish continuation. And why? Because in the past price action, whenever this moving averages has shown a crossover, 21-week EMA crossing about 50 moving average, 50-week moving average, it has resulted, right? It has resulted in a very bullish move. And it's not just once. This scenario has unfolded again and again. Each and every time whenever we have seen this 21-week EMA crossing over 50-week moving average, it has resulted in a very bullish move. So if this here is going to be another continuation here to the upside, we need the price of Bitcoin to remain above 21-week EMA, which sits around 60,900. So what could be happening here? A flash crash. Price of Bitcoin getting attracted back towards the 21-week EMA, even dipping lower, and then finally starting with an actual bullish continuation like this. Because I personally think, even though this is a bullish breakout, weekly candle has also closed above the 21-week EMA, I personally think there could be a liquidity hunt like this. I mean, price of Bitcoin coming back to test a support from this 50-weighted moving average, coming back to test a support from this 21-week EMA, and only after that start with an actual bullish move. Because I think before expecting another parabolic move, first there could be a liquidity hunt, price of Bitcoin coming back to test some of the key line of support, and only after that start with an actual continuation like this. Because according to this daily time frame, according to this falling wedge, yes, we have already managed to break above this upper trend line, which in the past price action rejected us, right? So if you look at it right now, we are clearly above it. So any sort of a pullback here could be an attraction towards this 50-weighted moving average, attraction towards the 21-week EMA, and parallelly it could be a retest. Yes, guys, it could be a retest from this previous temporary rates line, just like in this example, a retest from this previous temporary rates line. Then only after that we are expecting an actual bullish continuation to play out. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that even though the price of Bitcoin has already broken out of some of the key line of resistance, there could be a shakeout. I mean, a bear trap like this, Bitcoin coming back to just some key trend line, and only after that start with an actual bullish continuation. Because if you look at this price action here, I mean, if you look at this formation inside this falling wedge, we might be forming a perfect double bottom type of formation. I mean, this here is a double bottom type of formation. So in the medium short term, the neckline here will be looked as a line of resistance. The neckline from this double bottom will be looked as resistance around 64,000. So in the medium short term, what could be happening here? Pullback like this, right? Price coming back to this some key trend line, find support, and only after that a new bullish continuation to continue. Because if you look at this example here on the right hand side, we did had a very similar move. Double bottom, you can see, right? Double bottom here, double bottom here as well. Now we are also getting attracted towards this neckline, but this neckline here in the medium short term could be acting as a temporary resistance, which could be resulting in a bear trap. And right after liquidating the over leverage longs, the price could be preparing itself for an actual bullish continuation like this. I mean, just like from this example, more like higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern type of formation could be lining up parallelly. Because we know any sort of a pullback around 59,000-60,000, beside the support from this 50-weighted moving average, support from this 21-week EMA, even the support from this falling wedge, we also have support from this Williams alligator indicator. I mean, this here could be just a temporary pullback, a bear trap, or possible bear trap, because during uptrend, this Williams alligator indicator has always acted as a strong line of support for Bitcoin, which has also resulted in some very bullish moves. So even though this is a bullish crossover, pullback around 59,000-60,000 could be on the line, but that doesn't make the price bearish. That might be just a temporary pullback to liquidate the over average longs, and right after that we could be expecting another bullish continuation. And why? Because we know, guys, the price of Bitcoin has also broken out from this symmetrical triangle in a smaller time frame. So a pullback around 59,000-60,000 means just a temporary pullback. If you look at this example here, after breaking out, we had pullback, right? Price came back to test some key trend line, and only after that it started with an actual bullish move. So same thing is expected in our case as well. Bitcoin could be slowly heading towards this new all-time high, but before that we might see more sideways movement, even some fake out bear trap, and only after that follow this higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern type of formation. Because if you simply zoom out, if you simply add this descending channel in this entire lower highs, lower lows continuation in a daily time frame, even though lower highs, lower lows is a bearish continuation pattern, but since we are inside this descending channel, falling channel, bull flag, this could be very short-lived. I mean, pullback like this could be very short-lived. That might be just a retest from this central line or the middle line as well, and right after that another continuation here like this. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that even though the price in the medium short term could show some weakness, please do not forget the bigger picture, because as soon as we start breaking out here after testing this key trend line around 59,000-60,000, I personally think the price of Bitcoin will be also breaking out from this falling channel, descending channel, or bull flag, which will be a breakout from this handle. Because in a bigger picture you can see we are forming a cup and handle pattern for Bitcoin, which also could be resulting in a new all-time high. But before that, you can see what could be happening is retest, and only after that we are expecting an actual bullish continuation to play out, which makes a lot of sense. So that's why pullback around 59,000-60,000 could be a temporary pullback before we see another bullish continuation playing out. So that's why, guys, that's why if you have any doubt, I suggest you to simply zoom out, because in a bigger picture, as long as the price of Bitcoin remains above 60,000, any sort of a pullback will be looked as a temporary pullback, and price after that is expected to continue with this new bullish move to form a new all-time high. So this was some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed these free bonuses from Bybit, Phemex, OKX, then please check the video description, because these events are temporary, and if you are an experienced trader, if you want to trade with free money, then the time to act is now. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.